This video shows how to fix sail numbers to the sails of the DF95 radio-controlled yacht. If possible, use the packing paper that came with the sails. If you don't have that, a craft cutting board or a large piece of cardboard will do. But wherever you choose to use, it must be suitable to draw lines on, and will be used as a guide for the placement of the numbers. Start by reviewing the placement requirements by the class association. This video shows me putting 3 numbers on the D-rig sail, so we will look at the guidelines for the D-rig. Adding sail numbers is easier when the sails are not yet rigged. Across all sails, on all rig sizes, it's important to remember that the numbers nearest the top of the sail must go on the starboard side. So I place my sail on a clean, flat surface with my white paper underneath. The first thing to do is to mark a sail alignment line on your background paper. This is simply a straight line that is used to guide the sail straight when you attach the numbers, and this is done by utilising one of the printed markings on the sail. But if your sails are clear, then you can place a piece of electrical or masking tape on the sail temporarily. This can then be removed after you have finished fixing the numbers. So I place my numbers on top of the sail to check that they will fit within the guidelines provided. Make a mark to the side of the sail on the white paper, where the top of the numbers backing paper is. If you haven't got a set of sail numbers, you must register your boat with the DF95 Class Association. There's a link to their website in the description below. Draw a line parallel to the sail alignment line, where you've just made a mark, and you should now have 2 straight lines on your background paper. One to help align the sail, and one to guide the top of the sail numbers. Double check the order of your sail numbers, because once they're fixed, they will not come off without being damaged. Peel the backing paper off the number by making a very tight bend on the backing paper. This helps the numbers stay stuck to the clear front material. And if your numbers have gaps like the numbers 2, 3 and 5, just be careful of the corners. Take your time and make sure that the number stays on the clear front material when you remove the white backing paper. Then when ready, align the top edge of the clear front material with your pencil line. Place the top of the number on the sail and roll the rest of the number down onto the sail surface while holding the bottom edge away from the sail. This prevents unintentional contact with the sail, which could cause the numbers to crease and possibly damage the sail. Carefully peel back one corner of the clear front material, and with a tight bend, slowly pull the clear front material down towards you, and keep it as close to the sail as you can. This stops the sail from being pulled away from the work surface. It's best to do this bit slowly. Repeat that process for the remaining numbers. The same principle applies to the country letters too, but they are smaller and therefore slightly more fiddly to manage. I hope that's been useful for somebody. Good luck with your numbers, and thanks for watching. And apparently you should be clicking an up thumb button or something now. Anyway, see you next time.